I'm Margaret. I'm a speech pathologist and I'm going to show you how to make a TH sound. I know sometimes kids do F for TH and sometimes they do D for TH. Thank you very much. And they say dis and dat. So let's get practicing. First things first, stick out your tongue. Put it between your teeth. Put your teeth on your tongue and blow air on the palm of your hand. Did you notice I held it a long time? Holding it for a long time will really help establish this sound. I want you to do this 5 times. Ready? And by the way, do not put your lips on the tongue. Close, but not right. And 3 more times. 2 more. And 1 more. Next, I have a little friend here who's going to show you all about the TH sound. Come here. All right. How old are you?
3.
Very nice. Let's count to 3. This is one of the most important words, is 3.
Yes.
Because we have so many numbers. So let's say that. 1, 2.
3.
Very good. Now, if you can't do that and you want to say 1, 2, free, 1, 2, free a million times, well, let's don't do that. Let's hold that TH out a long time. We're going to say 1, 2, 3. And let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, a lot of kids say the word bath wrong and they'll say bath. Okay, well, we don't want to say bath. We want to say bath. So, again, let's lengthen that vowel and go bath. We're going to do it slowly. We're going to hold that A out a long time.
Yeah.
Okay? Let's do it.
Yeah.
Bath. Bath. And that is it. Now, let's just say somebody gives you a nice little gift.
Yeah.
And you're not going to say thank you. Are you? Are you really going to say thank you? I hope not. I hope you say thank you. Now let's do it. You're going to hold your TH and not say thank you and bite your lip. You're going to stick that tongue out. Thank you. Let's do it again. Thank you. And one more time. Thank you. Very good. Now, when you go with somebody, you're going to walk with somebody. You're not going to walk with them. You're going to walk with them. So let's practice that. Let's do with. Let's do it again. With. And let's do it one more time. With. So I picked really high frequency words. Things that we say a lot of.
Yes, Gaga.
And then the last thing we want to do is without.
Yeah.
Oh, we could do one more after that. Birthday. Without. The opposite of with. Okay? Without. 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 And the last thing, the most important word, is when somebody has a birthday. We don't want to say, I just had a birthday. We want to say birthday. I had a birthday. I had a birthday. Very good. So practice this and you'll see a lot of improvement.